Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to handle sales tax setup in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually turn on sales tax. So the way you go about this, you come at the top menu, click on Edit, and then you click here on Preferences, okay? And here you should see on the left-hand panel, this section right here, it says Sales Tax. Click on this, and then click here on Company Preferences. So here we are on multi-user mode, but you need to switch to single user mode for this. Okay, usually you should be on single user mode. So just click OK. But you just change this, you toggle it on, okay, where it says, do you charge sales tax? Say yes. And now you can set it up. As you can see right here, you can add sales tax items right here, okay? And you just fill in the values, and then you can go ahead and save it. Alternatively, you can just come here, click on list, click on item list, and then you can click here on item, and then you'll see the option right here. You can choose sales tax item once you toggle it on, and you can enter your details like the sales tax name, the description, tax rate, tax agency. Then you click OK and save it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.